Shalom. Welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consulting. I am your consultant, Malka. Today we are going to go over something that happens to all of us at one point or time in our life, and it's drastic. That's when you get confused. You have no idea what to do. It's what to do if your income suddenly stops. And this one says you, but it's a mistype. It should be your. What to do if your, Y-O-U-R, income suddenly stops. Well, first you pray. Pray and ask Yahweh for guidance. That's the first thing. Then you pause the pressure. Right now, at this present time, when that's happening, you have to pause. Stop trying to fix your whole life. Stop trying to figure everything out. Stop trying to force success because that pressure is what's making you feel stuck. This is where it's like, oh my gosh, your income just stopped and now you feel stuck. Clarity comes when the pressure goes down. So you have to pause and just like stop trying to figure everything out. The next step is, okay, you're going to have to try to shrink the problem. Instead of your whole life is not working, you have to take it small. What is one thing you can improve this week? Examples: make $50, reduce one bill, apply for three opportunities. Small focus creates movement. And I put make $50, but in different people case, it would be like, okay, I need to make $5,000. Go back to the basics. When nothing works, you have to return back to the basics. Return to income, expenses, daily actions. You have to pause now and go back to the basics and look at everything. It's not ideas, not having theories, it's looking at everything. Look at your income, look at your expenses, and look at your daily actions. Change the approach, not just the effort. Now, sometimes it's not what you're not trying. It's that you're repeating what isn't working. So you have to look at it and say, okay, I need to change the approach. What have I been doing? What hasn't worked? What can I do differently? You have to change the approach because if you keep doing the same thing over and over, it's not working. You're just wasting time. You are not creating success. Next is get around a different type of energy. See, it's like isolation make things work. So you got to talk to someone who's moving forward, someone who understands, someone who can give perspectives. You don't have to figure everything out alone. It's like now you need to just change your energy. Your energy is on a different thing, so now you have to go fix the frequency. Next, focus on momentum, not results. So right now you can't chase big success and big money. You got to chase movement because movement breaks the feeling of being stuck. So now it's like, okay, I need movement. You need income. You need more inflow. So now you need to work on that. Real talk, feeling stuck does not mean you're failing, nothing will work, or that it's over. It means now we have to push the reset button. You need a reset. Reset, reset, reset. So if everything feel overwhelming, you get one small win, remove one stress, take one action. That's it. Reset. You have to pause and say, okay, I need a reset. We're going to start all over. Yahweh is God, so pray, pray. And the scripture for this is Galatians 6:9. And let us not be weary in well doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not. You can't give up. Just because you don't see results yet doesn't mean nothing is happening, okay? Yahweh is God. Praise Yahweh. This is Malka with BahtKaleb Consulting. You can reach us at bahtkalebconsulting@gmail.com. Sign up at www.bahtkalebconsulting.com or consultant at bahtkalebconsulting.com. Praise Yahweh. Hope this message reaches you. It touches your soul, and know that you are not alone and it's not over. You just need a reset. So, glory to Yahweh, praise Yahweh. Take this to better yourself and our nation as a whole. Shalom.